Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to remove the white borders around the icon. So all these icons you can see a white borders, right? If you go to the app library, here also you can see a little bit small white border around the applications, app icon. So let me show you how to remove this one. Simply go to settings, tap on the option accessibility, tap on display and text size. Here you can see the option show borders. Disable this option and you have to disable reduce transparency and increase contrast. Now after this, go to your home screen. You can see that white borders are disabled from this device. Otherwise, if you enable only the show borders, go to, you can see on the app library also there is a small white border around the app icon. If you disable this one, you can see that is disabled. So simply in this way we can remove the white borders around the icons on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.